Good afternoon. Thank you all for joining us for the April release webinar. We're excited to share the improvements with you that we've made this month. If you have any questions as we go along, please don't hesitate to email us at support@combase-usa.com or enter the questions into the chat here on YouTube. To make the ordering process more useful, we've created or modified the following order categories. We did leave customer orders alone for the most part, but we did add it to all KORONA packages. So now you are able to create a customer order at the point of sale, set a pickup time, and take a deposit. You can review all open customer orders in the back office under Inventory, Customer Orders, or on the dashboard using the Open Customer Orders widget. You can finish customer orders on the POS when final payment has been received. We have renamed stock order requests to store orders. When you open an inventory receipt at the point of sale, you're able to create an order request. This will create a store order in the back office. You can also create a store order simply using the back office. You'll just need to add all of the products that you wish to the store order, and the software will list the products by supplier. If a product is available from multiple suppliers, it will be automatically sorted into the supplier with the lowest last purchase price. You can then create your stock orders, and one order will be created for each supplier that was listed in the store order. You have several options here. First, the system can force you to assign a supplier or warehouse for each product on the list. Second, you can have the store order group it into as few suppliers as possible, or you can make it an internal transfer. So that way you can transfer your product between warehouses. The created stock orders are then handled normally. It is now possible to generate button layouts based on your commodity group structure. If you go to Settings, Button Configurations, you're able to edit your existing layout. Click on the Button Layouts button at the top, and then select New. The new feature is in the Create Button Layout from Commodity Group hierarchy. You can select a commodity group and all subgroups, and then button layouts will be generated for each subgroup, and the parent commodity group layout will contain buttons that link to each specific subgroup button layout. This saves you a lot of time when you're creating a button layout that fits your needs. The only thing left for you to do is link to the parent commodity group layout on your main quick key screen so that you have access to those new layouts. With our inventory count lists, you can now find an index column which indicates when an item was added to the list. This enables you to sort the inventory count sheet by order rather than by product number or name. And you'll be able to find products, if you realize that you made a mistake, you can find it quickly by looking at the order that you added it. Unfortunately, this feature does not apply retroactively, so you'll only be able to do this with your count sheets moving forward. More and more users have been taking advantage of KORONA's comprehensive promotion feature. Now, it's even better. You have the ability to filter promotions. If you use a lot of promotions and some of them are stacking, this filter will allow you to see which promotions apply to affected stores, products, days, or more. You can quickly figure out where the problem lies and resolve the issue. We've added a new import field, which is the base unit import. You can import this field with your custom CSV or Excel imports. So if you buy a product in containers of 5 liters or 100 feet, and sell it in quantities of less, you can define the base unit as 100 milliliters or 5 feet when you perform your import. The import field is called Product Base Unit. It's now possible to set a tip account at the point of sale. This will enable an automatic tip allocation if a customer added the tip through a payment terminal. To set up a tip account, you'll first need to create one under Settings, Accounts. It does need to be a deposit account. Then, go to Sales, Points of Sale, edit a point of sale, and assign that tip account. Transactions that have a tip applied through the credit card terminal will now automatically close out without you having to manually select the tip account. If your business is one that has different staff members helping customers before they go to the register to pay, it is now possible to set that specific staff member on the receipt. That this person can be different than the cashier that rings up the customer. It's particularly useful for commission reports. To use the new function, go to your button layouts and add a button with the Assign Salesperson function. Well, that's it for our updates this month. Thank you for joining us. Give me just a moment to review any questions.